What if I told you there's a specific type of AI-powered YouTube channel that's quietly making creators well over 10K every single month? And the best part, they're doing it without even showing their faces. For a long time, the idea of making significant income on YouTube felt pretty out of reach for most of us. You either had to be this incredibly charismatic personality, or you had to spend thousands on a professional video setup, right? Honestly, that's all changing, and it's changing fast. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact high-focus YouTube niches that are currently flying under the radar. We're talking about a genuine opportunity here, one that's accessible to practically anyone willing to put in a little bit of smart effort. So let's dive right in. The AI YouTube niches that are generating impressive income is largely focused on AI trends and AI tutorials. This isn't just some fleeting fad. It's a booming area that are gaining incredible momentum as more and more people become interested in using and understanding AI technology, its implications across industries, and crucially, how to leverage it for their personal and business growth. Consider this for a second. AI is everywhere, and everyone wants a piece of the pie, or at least wants to understand what the pie even entails. Let's talk about AI tutorials. Let's be real. There's an increasing, almost insatiable demand for content that teaches viewers how to use AI tools effectively. Why, you ask? Because these tools are powerful, but they can also be a bit intimidating at first glance. People want to learn how to harness AI, and they're turning to YouTube for guidance. Step by step, no fluff instructions. This can be anything from script writing with AI, like using ChatGPT or Google Gemini to brainstorm compelling narratives, to automating entire video creation processes. Viewers are actively searching for how-to guides on everything from generating images with tools like Leonardo AI, creating professional sounding voiceovers, or even using AI to write code or analyze data. The beauty of this is that by providing valuable, actionable content, literally showing people how to do something, these creators attract a loyal audience, eager for knowledge. They're solving real problems for real people, and that's a powerful foundation for any channel. The more practical and clear your tutorials are, the more your audience will trust you and keep coming back for more. Next up are AI trends. The world of AI is moving at warp speed, don't you think? Channels that keep viewers updated on the latest breakthroughs, industry predictions, and breaking news are absolutely thriving. They create regular content that resonates with their viewers interested in the future of technology, not just for curiosity, but often for their careers and investments. For example, videos discussing future of AI in healthcare, exploring large language models, or highlighting top AI innovations for 2025 aren't just informative, they engage a broader audience, looking for insights into what's next. These channels become the go-to news source for AI enthusiasts and professionals alike. They tap into the inherent human desire to stay informed and understand the forces shaping our world. By consistently delivering fresh, relevant trend analysis, these channels build authority and keep their audience hooked, always anticipating the next big update. It's like being a trusted guide in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. So when you combine these two aspects, showing people how to use a current AI tool and keeping them updated on what's new in the AI world, you create an incredibly valuable resource. This dual approach ensures both evergreen content, tutorials, and timely trending content, giving your channel a broad appeal and consistent viewership. Now that we've established the niches, let's discuss how these creators are actually making it happen. Here's the cool part. The key lies in faceless automation. Most of these channels don't rely on a host to be on camera ever. Instead, they use a clever combination of AI tools that allow them to produce high quality, engaging content without showing their face. This isn't just about being camera shy. It's about efficiency and scalability, and focusing on the message rather than the messenger. It means you can create content from anywhere at any time without needing a fancy studio or even to comb your hair. So what are these indispensable tools that successful creators are using? Let's break down your AI creative arsenal. Number 1, script generation. This is where it all begins. Tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI are absolute game changers. They help generate comprehensive scripts quickly, allowing creators to focus on refining the content's quality and message rather than getting stuck on writer's block. But it's not just about speed. These AI models can also assist with generating viral video ideas, optimizing titles and descriptions for search engines, and even analyzing existing successful videos to help you craft scripts that resonate with your target audience. Some advanced tools can even learn your unique speaking style and applying it to new scripts, ensuring a consistent brand voice. This means you can create scripts that aren't just informative, but also structured for high retention, grabbing viewers from the start and keeping them engaged. Number 2, voiceovers. Gone are the days of needing expensive microphones or a perfectly soundproof room. AI voice generators like 11 Labs and Microsoft Clipchamp are used to create professionally sounding narrations that are virtually indistinguishable from a human voice. You can choose from a wide range of voices, accents, and tones to perfectly match your content's personality. This frees you from recording your own voice if you're uncomfortable, or simply allows for a much faster, more consistent production workflow. Number 3, visual content. This is where your videos truly come to life. Creators often use AI generators such as Leonardo AI for stunning images and VideoTalk AI video generator for dynamic video content. These tools make it incredibly easy to create engaging visuals and animations, and even short video clips from tech prompts or existing images. You can also leverage vast libraries of stock footages, combining them with AI-generated elements to create a unique visual style. Tools like Canva, while not purely AI video generators, often AI features for creating eye-catching graphics and thumbnails, which are crucial for attracting clicks. The goal is to enhance the viewer's experience, illustrate complex AI concepts with compelling visuals that keep their eyes glued to the screen. Number 4, video editing. With powerful free options like CapCut and Clipchamp, creators are easily editing their videos, making the process efficient and cost-effective. These user-friendly platforms often include AI-powered features like automatic captioning, background removal, and even smart cuts to remove silences or awkward pauses. This streamlines the post-production process significantly, allowing you to polish your content without needing extensive video editing skills or expensive software. Now, the secret sauce. An important but often overlooked aspect of truly successful content is ensuring that scripts are engaging enough to keep viewers watching until the very end. High retention scripts are essential because YouTube's algorithm loves watch time. The longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube will recommend them. So how do you do it? It means employing storytelling style techniques, allowing rhetorical questions that prompt thought, and providing valuable insights that genuinely resonates with your audience. Think about starting with a strong hook, a surprising fact, a compelling question, or a bold statement that immediately grabs attention. Then structure your content logically, breaking down complex information into easily digestible chunks. Use varied sentence lengths, keeping your explanations clear, and maintain a good pace. Regularly remind viewers of the value that they're getting and what's coming next. The goal is to build anticipation and curiosity throughout the video, making it harder for them to click away. AI can even help analyze your scripts for potential drop-off points, allowing you to refine them for maximum impact. So, I know you're asking, how are all these channels raking in all this cash hand over fist? While many are familiar with YouTube's ad revenue, successful channels in this niche are smart about diversifying their income streams. They don't just put all their eggs in one basket, and neither should you. To achieve success, it's not just about the content itself, it's about how you promote and optimize that content. Let's explore some effective growth techniques used by top creators in this niche. Building a vibrant community around your content is incredibly powerful. It fosters loyalty, encourages repeated viewers, and can even turn viewers into advocates for your channel. So how do you do it? Engage with your audience. Respond thoughtfully to comments. Ask for their input on future topics. Run a poll on your community tab, or even host a Q&A session. When viewers feel heard and valued, they're much more likely to stick around. Share your content and become a loyal part of your tribe. This interaction also gives you invaluable feedback, helping you understand exactly what your audience wants to see next. Don't keep your brilliant content hidden on YouTube alone. Cross-promoting. Use your videos on other platforms. Expose your channel to entirely new audiences. Think about sharing snippets or key takeaways on AI-related forums like Reddit, or professional networks like LinkedIn. You can also leverage social media platforms like X, TikTok, Reels. There are a number of them out there. Engage in clips that drive traffic back to your main YouTube video. Collaborating with other creators in complementary niches or even tech influencers can also lead to an increased visibility and subscriber growth by tapping into their existing audience. It's all about strategically placing your content where your potential viewers are already. Consistency is key. This one might sound simple, but it's absolutely fundamental. Having a consistent publishing schedule is absolutely crucial. Channels that post regularly, whether it's weekly AI news updates, a bi-weekly tutorial series, or daily shorts, builds a loyal audience that knows when to expect fresh content and keep coming back for more. YouTube's algorithm also tends to favor channels with consistent uploads, as it sees them as reliable sources of content. Consistency doesn't just mean frequency, it also means maintaining a consistent quality. This builds trust with both your audience and the platform itself. Beyond consistency, optimizing your content for search is non-negotiable. Use AI tools to perform keyword research, helping you identify terms and phrases people are actively searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. A well-optimized video is far more likely to appear in the search results and the recommended feeds. And let's not forget the silent salesman of your video, the thumbnail. A captivating, clear, and clickable thumbnail is paramount for improving your click-through rate. AI tools can even assist in generating compelling thumbnail designs, or you can use platforms like Canva to create them yourself, ensuring they stand out in the busy feed. Combine a strong title with an irresistible thumbnail and you've got a potential recipe for discovery. Hey, if you found this information valuable and are excited to dive into AI YouTube niches, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And join our community for more insights and strategies on how to succeed in this rapidly growing space. We're all learning and growing together, and I'd love to have you along on the journey. And don't forget to check the description below and the links to all the tools and the checklist to everything we discussed today. Many of them are free or low cost, so you can start experimenting right away. You absolutely have the potential to achieve remarkable success in this exciting new frontier. So take action today. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you succeed in this incredible niches. Stay dangerous.